Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how to remove the image background in Microsoft Word, so without any download. So let's start with the video guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my image. You can see I had to go on image here for sample. Okay, just still click on that image and go here in a picture format. Under the picture format you can see the lots of option here under the toolbar. So here you can see the remove background. Okay, just click on it. Now your image will be selected like this. Now here you can see this is the selection area. You need to just click on this dot, hold it and select your area which you want to keep. Okay, so you can select area which you want to keep, and rest of will be remove. Okay, so I have selected this area. Now go to the key, click on this option which is keep change. Now you can see the background has been removed, but you can see there is a not this is not perfect removal, so we need to use another tools, which is come here again in picture format, go to the remove background. Here you can see these tools we need to use now, which is mark area to remove. Okay, so here this is a missing area, so you need to just click and mark it like this. Okay, so it will be select, so make sure you select perfectly. Okay, so you can also use the delete mark. If you wrongly selected any area, then you can use this deleted mark, this delete mark. So you need to just click on delete mark and click on that mark, so this will be delete. Now click on keep change. You can see still we need to edit. Okay, so you need to edit like this. Okay, so it will be take time. You can use these tools like this. You can zoom your image and use these tools for better result. Okay, just click on the area which you want to remove and just click on keep change. After you all done, go to the file, go to the save file,